I spent 6 months testing every AI marketing tool, and here's what actually works. Don't use AI to write your media pitch. Use it to write 50 variations of your headline and hook. I asked ChatGPT to write a full blog post. It was terrible. Then I used it instead for 30 email subject lines in 2 minutes. I tested the top five, and it beat my usual open rate by 34%. Heinz did this brilliantly. They asked AI to generate images of ketchup. Every image produced was a different bottle design. They loved it so much they launched it into an international campaign. In the competitive higher ed landscape, we know that real personalization is more than hi, first name. But Nutella nailed this concept when they created 7 million unique jar designs. They were so popular, they sold out. People collected them for their rare designs. We can also use AI to generate custom graphics for different audience segments. I'll use the same message, but a different visual style for urban versus rural students, traditional or international students. This now takes 5 minutes instead of 5 hours. Try taking one piece of content, create three variations, and see what resonates for you. Another real world example is JPMorgan Chase. They replaced copywriters with AI for some advertising campaigns, and click through rates doubled. You may ask why. It's because AI analyzes thousands of successful ads and finds emotional patterns we sometimes miss. Cadbury India is another interesting example. They created 200,000 personalized video ads with actor Shah Rukh. Small shop owners could generate a custom ad where he promoted their specific store by name and location. Here's where it gets interesting. Virgin Holidays used AI to determine when to send each person an email, not Tuesday at 10 a.m. for everyone, but Tuesday at 10 a.m. for Sarah and Thursday at 2 p.m. for Mike. Click through rates increased by 60%. Most email platforms have AI send time optimization now. So turn it on, compare it to your manual sends. Most likely you'll probably lose. Okay, so here's what happens next. You have two choices. Bookmark this and do Marcom the way you've always done it, or you can open ChatGPT and type in a prompt. It takes 90 seconds. The difference between marketers who use AI and marketers who talk about AI isn't talent, it isn't budget, it's 90 seconds. So start there.